I'm knitting this really cute baby sweater in Touch Yarn's Merino Saffron, which is a gorgeous sunshine yellow. Coming up to my first raglan marker, which means I'm going to do a make one right. So to do that, I lift up the leg of the stitch between the stitch and the first marker using my left needle, lift it up from back to front and then knit into the front of that stitch. So that's a make one right. Slip the first marker, knit the raglan stitch between the markers, slip the second marker, and now I lift up the leg of the stitch between the marker and the stitch with my left needle going into the front, from front to back, and knit into the back of that for a make one left. And that creates this gorgeous little raglan right there.